Hey everybody, how are you? This is Sean Doyle, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough, 2019 21 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Got the white 200, new Mercury, new layout, new style. The teak wood package on the transom. Leaning post with cooler. Fiberglass hardtop, fishing package. Nice bow rails. Electronics already installed. Fusion radio with JL audio speakers. Bow speakers. Cooler cushion with seat top. Big lounge with backrested seating as well. We also have a head down below. Alrighty guys, if you want some more information on the 21 Montauk, please give us a call, 954-579-8956.